Hello po, online word. Ayan. Gagawa kami ni Gidi ng assignment. Paano to? Itapat ang mga kagamitang panlinis sa bahagi ng katawan kung saan ito ginagamit. Ano to?
Mouth.
Teeth.
Teeth.
Anong ginagamit panlinis ng teeth? Ito ba yon? Huwag ka na makisali, kuya. Magdig ka na ng water doon. Anong ginagamit pang linis ng teeth? Ito ba? Mirror?
No, ito ba yan?
Ito ba?
Hindi.
Scissor?
Scissor.
Ito ba? Cotton buds?
No.
Ito ba? Bath soap?
No.
Ito ba? Toothbrush?
Yes.
Okay. From here, look mo tong pointers na to. Up to
Down.
here. Okay, you get the pencil now. You connect. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go.
Hindi mo connect.
Kaya mo yan.
Hindi mo connect.
Hold mong mabuti.
Ayun. Tulad ko ay wiggly.
Sige, hold ko yung hand mo para hindi wiggly. Ready?
Ready, go.
Next. Ano ba to?
Confused.
Ano ang ginagamit pang linis ng ears? Mirror?
No.
Scissor?
No.
Cotton buds?
Yes.
Okay, you connect.
Hindi mo connect.
From here to here.
Hindi ko ma-connect.
Hold mong mabuti yung pencil. Okay, ready? Hold mong mabuti.
Kita.
Hold mong mabuti.
Here's banana.
Go. 1, 2, 3, ready? Look ka dito sa ginagawa. Si Elias naman kasi. Ready?
Let's go. Three.
Next. Ano ba to? Ano ba to?
Face.
Anong ginagamit panlinis ng face? Mirror?
No.
Yes! You can see the dirt on your face if you look at the mirror. Connect each other. From here. Up to here. Up.
Okay.
1, 2.
Ay, kumakita.
Here.
Kumakita.
To there.
Ay, kumakita.
Next. What is this?
A hand. Pangwash hand.
No, that is a nails.
Nails.
Anong ginagamit pang cut ng nails?
Scissor.
Scissor? No.
Ba't wala dito?
Ba't walang nail cutter dito?
Dapat no cutter. Dapat hand mo na draw.
Salamin? No.
I know something. It's hands. Hands can hold.
It's a mystery.
It must be soap.
Wait lang. Don't answer this. Ready? This one. The hair.
Hair.
Anong ginagamit ng barbers pag nagkakat ng hair?
Scissors.
A. Mirror.
No.
B. Scissor.
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Okay. Put mo dito.
Nilalaman natin
Up to the scissor.
Nilalaman natin kung ano nakakawak ng bagay.
Yeah. Dali na dito. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hindi mo connect. Hindi mo connect. Hair to goes to scissors. No, ayan.
Go na. I know. Baka ito ang sagot nito ay I comb. Dito, hair. You comb. Ilyas, stop it.
Nasusupan niya ako. Hindi naman ako aso. At pusa.
Sige na, Gidi. Go na. Oh, go na. Ready?
Nay, nagkakolor.
Mamaya na, kuya. Finish your work. Oh, next.
Ito naman.
This one. Hand.
Okay.
What will you use if you wash your hands? This one, mirror,
No.
scissor,
No.
cotton buds,
No.
soap.
Yay!
Okay. Connect each other. This one. Here. Dito. Okay. And the A1 is?
Ito naman.
Comb and hand? No.
Wait.
Maybe you will use comb and this one.
I think you already connected here.
No. This is a magnifying glass.
But it's okay. We need to know what is the mystery of what's
The comb is the mystery.
wait. I didn't know something.
You will not use the comb to clean this.
And I know something. If you hold it, it must be. You're actually. If this one can only brush hair.
No. We don't know what is happening of this.
Yeah. This
So, we don't answer that because we don't know what is the meaning of that. The instruction is, you will itapat ang mga kagamitang panlinis sa bahagi ng katawan kung saan ito gagamit. So, we're done here. Finish. Okay. Next page.
Okay.
Put it here.
Wait. One. No.
Oh, come on. This is number 1. See the sun? It's only 1. In the earth, we have only 1.
Planet.
Yeah, we have only 1 planet and we have only 1 sun and only 1 moon.
Yes.
So, this is the number 1. If you write the number 1, you begin here, slanting line and vertical line. So, let's do it. 8, 6. See this. 3, 7, 2, 1, 6, 5, 9, 10. 8, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1. 5, 3, 1, 8, 2, 1, 2, 6, 6.
Parang may numbers.
This one, number 1, 5, 8, 1, 7, 5, 9, 8. 1, 2, 4, 1, 6, 2, 7, 9, 4. 2, 2, 9.
Tingnan mo.
O, dali na. Isulat mo na yung number 1. I-trace mo na.
Ano eh? O-N-E. Ano ba ito sabi?
1.
1. Okay. Tutulungin ko ba siya?
No. Magdig ka na ng water doon. Bilisan mo na.
Makunik. Okay.
Hold mo mabuti yung pencil. Paano ka ba maghawak ng pencil? Ganun.
A worm.
Yeah, only one. That's not a worm. That is a caterpillar.
What words the caterpillar say?
It's one.
One caterpillar.
Yeah.
How many balls?
Oh, ready na, ready na.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, ready, ready.
Feet. Yeah.
Okay, ready na. Hawakan mabuti yung pencil.
Tingnan mo, 1 hanggang 2. Ayan. 1 hanggang 2.
Oh, ready. Up,
Up,
down.
down.
Up,
Up,
down.
Up, down.
Quiet, kuya. Up,
Up,
down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down.
Right, counted how many one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
8,
Next,
1.
we
1.
will spell the one. O
O,
N
N,
E. One.
1.
O N E. One. O N E. One. O N E. One. Now we will write the letters O and E. Just like this. This is the O
O,
N E. One. Already. Raise natin yung O. O is a circle one.
O, N, E.
Down. Down. Up.
Good.
Down. Lagyan ng one hand, two hands, three hands.
Ito kay
The letter E have three hands.
Parang ano, ilion.
Yeah. E is the beginning letter of Kuya Ilya's name. Okay, okay.
O,
Opo.
N,
O, go na.
E.
O,
At ako naman.
N, E.
It's my turn.
Mamaya na, ikaw wag ka dito, hindi ito sa'yo. How, and, E. Sabihin mo yung letter E, Gidi. O, say O, N, E. One. O, N, E. One.
Ako naman. Nanay.
Go.
O, N, P.
E.
E.
One.
1.
O, go na.
Ako naman. O, N, E.
One.
1. At your turn.
O, Gidi. Eyes on here.
Oh, I did it my toy.
Ay, nako.
I did my toy.
Stop playing. You're studying. Find and color the number one.
No.
And color the number one. Okay, what is your favorite color?
Nani, ako din.
You choose.
May favorite color din ako.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maghanap ka doon.
I want rainbow.
Oh, here na. You choose the color.
Black.
Okay, wait. Here. You find the number one. Is this number one?
No.
Is this number 1?
No.
What is this number?
3.
What is this number?
2. 7.
What is this
Two.
number?
2.
What is this number?
1.
Color red.
It's too dark. Hindi na nakita.
Kaya mo na. Yan yung favorite niya. Oh, enough na. Enough na. Oh, what is this number?
6.
What is this number?
5.
What is this number?
10.
9. What is this number?
0.
10.
10.
What is this number? 8.
8.
What is this number? 4. What is this number?
Ano gagawin mo dito?
Color mo. What is this number? Ay, hindi pa finish. What is this number? Look mo. What is this number? Sige. What is this number? Come on. Finish it now. Gidi, look at here. What is this number? 1. Look at this, oh. It's the same. Oh, put color on it. Huwag lagpas-lagpas. Inside the box only. I told you, up and down lang yung pag-color. Hindi side by side. Oh, is this number 1?
No.
What is this number?
4.
What is this number?
3.
2.
2.
What is this number?
1.
3.
3.
What is this number?
1.
Okay.
It's okay.
Oh, next. What is this number?
5.
What is this number?
Lusan mo yung toyo mo?
What is this number?
Pinasira ba?
What is this number?
1.
What you're going to do?
Color it.
Oh, now. What is this number?
9.
8.
8.
What is this number?
8.
What is this number?
2.
What is this number?
1.
Okay, what you're going to do?
Ayun! Color din ako.
Diyan lang muna yung mga toys na yan. Oh, next. Gidi, put eyes on here.
Dapat ako na lang sa table.
Dalian mo na. Sit down na, sit down, sit down. Mamaya na yung toys. Sa school, hindi nagagamit ng toys. Kuya, pwede ba ang art set? Huwag dyan kasi nakukover yung ano ni Gidi. Arms.
Paano po makakaano?
Doon mo ilagay sa chair. Doon, oh, doon. Doon mo ilagay sa chair. Kumuha ka lang ng isang color.
Dalawa, no?
Oh, what is this number?
2.
What is this number? 6. What is this number? So, no more 1 na, okay? Oh, you put it back the color.
Okay.
Now, you count how many number 1 you put color black. Gidi, you hear me? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, number 1 here.
No, 1.
Hindi yan 1. 10 yan. If you combine the number 1 and 0, it becomes number 10. Here, find the number 1. O, circle mo daw yung number 1. Gidi, is this number 1? Ano ba naman itong mosquito na to? Is this number 1?
Yes.
Oh, put circle.
Color.
Circle mo yung number 1. It's okay. Gidi, dito ka.
Work ko.
Umusod ka dito. Umusod. Yes. Oh, ready? Where is the number 1? Is this number 1?
Yes.
Oh, circle on it.
Number 1.
Oh. Saan pa?
1.
Ay, nasama yun 2. Erase mo yan. That's not right. Ang laki-laki naman kasi ng circle mo.
Right.
Ayusin mo pag-erase.
Tingnan mo ako, nakakaano na ako, nakakolor.
Circle mo yung 1 lang. 1. Huwag mo isama yung 2.
Nakita ang gawa ko.
Hindi siya nasa loob ng circle. Ayusin mo. Bilisan mo na at ang daming mosquito. Bilisan mo na ha.
Short.
Number 1, go. Meron pa dito isa pang page.
Ayaw ko na.
Oh, look at here. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. Oh. Is this number 1?
Hindi.
Is this number 1?
Yes.
Oh, is this number 1?
No.
What is that number? 7.
7.
Okay. Is this number 1?
No.
Is this number 1?
No.
Is this number 1?
No.
What is that number?
7.
What is this number?
Nakulala.
9.
9.
What is this number? Look ka dito. Wag dyan. What is this number? Number 8. Look at here. What is this number? 4.
4.
Oh, look at this one. What is this number?
1.
Oh, what you're going to do if it's number 1?
Circle.
Oh, what is this number? 9. This one. Look. Number 3. Oh, what is this number?
1.
Oh, what you're going to do?
Circle.
Oh, what is this number? Look mo kasing mabuti. Number?
5.
What is this number again? Look at here. 6. Ito.
5.
3. Ito. Look mo. Number 2. What is this number?
1.
What you're going to do?
Drawing.
Oh. How about this one? What is this number?
1.
May nakikita ka pa bang 1?
Hindi.
No more or yes? Ayusin mo ito pag circle kasi hindi nakikita ni teacher. Meron pang 1?
Hindi.
No more na. O, count mo yung may mga circle. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, bye-bye number 1. Thank you. Finish. Number 1. This is the last thing we need to do.
This is na ako. Ay, na ako.
Wow! It's the same!
Oh, sa akin dito.
Okay. Kuya will do it for you.
But that's the
Oh,
leg.
go, Kuya.
Wait, I'm still calling my leg. Nalalawa ba ako?
Kuya, go.
Nalaan mo ang paper dito! Ang paper dito!
mo to, oh.
Yeah.
Asan na yung ano? Yung glue. Ididikit ko yun dito, ang glue. Asan na?
Natapon nila kasi because hindi ito nag-dry. Ano mo?
O, sige na, sige na. Gawin mo na yung, oh, you think kung ano ba talaga yung right answer niyan.
Cold. No.
Bilisan nyo na.
Ako makita. Hand. Come here. Head. Feet. Correct. Ito na teacher. Pwede mo kay Kiddy.
Yan yung gawa ni Kuya Ilyas. Next, it's your turn na.
Lele, pwede mo pencil ako.
Gidi, where's your pencil? Oh,
Attack niya, sabi niya, Kiddy.
explain mo. Ano yung nangyari?
No,
Ano ang ginagamit panlinis ng
table.
ngipin?
I want the blue. Ay, babigay ko sa'yo ito. Ano Coca-Cola? Nanay. Ang Coca-Cola.
Ayun yung face.
Saan yung face? Yung mukha natin? Ay. Hindi.
Tanggalin mo kasi, Gidi, ang mga blacks. Paano ka makakapag-color kung andyan yan?
Kailangan mo ng brown. Ay, wow!
Hayaan mo siya kung anong gusto niyang color. Siya yung magde-decide kung anong gusto niyang color. Pabayaan mo siya. Mag-choose ka na ng color ng gusto mo. Tapos, gawin mo na.
Hindi ko lalagay dito. Dito ako tulad. Wag mo kakuha ito.
Kuya.
Kung ano? Ito. Wag mo kakuha ito. Magalit na. Huwag yung malaki. Ay, madami. Ay, mo ko lang. Ay, hilang ako.
Kuya, wag mong ganyanin yung pencil at magpuputol na naman yan, kuya.
Ayo.
Explain mo sa akin, anong ginagamit panlinis ng teeth?
Teeth for toothbrush. Kuko for comb. Nandito na ako.
Hindi, mali.
Hair for scissors. Face for mirror. Ears for matches. Hindi. Cotton bags. Cotton bags?
Bags o buds?
Cotton bags.
Buds.
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 Hindi bags.
Sorry, bags.
Bugs. Insect.
Ano kayo na yung cotton bags, insect na gamit nila. Hands for soap. Duling. Namalay nanay. Buhok for soap.
Mali talaga yan, anak. Erasin mo muna yung unang line. Dapat one line lang, hindi maraming line. Nailo na yung teacher pag-check niyan.
Ito yung monitor. The monitor part here.
Ano yun?
That's repeat. And the four. Dapat five. For hands. Si Percy. Ito na teacher.
Okay. This is the work of Ilyas.
Hindi tatabi. Ito na tatabi. Ang gusto na tatabihin. Tatabi. Hindi ito tatabi ito. Tapos, ito din. Ito din. Tapos, tatabi sinunod ka black.
Ilyas, ito. Halika.
Ito tatabi.
Ah,
Ang keyboard.
come here.
Ito pa.
Mamaya na yan. Kunin mo yung color na favorite mo. Tapos,
Yun lang.
yeah. Tingnan mo yung picture. Nakikita mo, merong marami, merong only one. Ibig sabihin, pag only one, gagamit ka ng word na ang. Pag madami, ang gagamitin mo ay ang mga. Sige. Ngayon, yung number 1, bilangin mo, ilan yan?
I'm making a bag. So, what's my favorite color? Tatingin mo. My favorite color ayun dyan.
Yeah.
Ayun. Dark blue.
Okay. Count the number 1. How many?
1, 2, 1.
Ano
One.
1 to 1? Ano paano magbilang?
Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Marami.
Okay.
Ano gawin ko dito?
Ang mga, yun yung i-color mo.
Kakulit ko ng ganito.
Yeah. Hold mo yung paper para hindi mag-move. Inside the box only, Ilyas. You know the right pattern of coloring? Up and down only. Up and down. And walang lagpas-lagpas.
Ito na. Ay,
Number 2. Can you count that?
1.
Okay? Oh, yeah. That's right. Up and down, Ilyas, ang pag-color. Up and down.
Ito?
No lagpas. Okay, number 3.
1, 2, 3.
Can you tell me what is that kind of picture?
A kite. Okay,
How
my
about the number 1? What is that picture?
ang banana or is it ang or is it ang mga?
You count. How many?
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Ang ba?
pag konti, ang. Pag madami, ang mga. Madami ba yan o konti?
Ang madami. Oh, yung puno pala. isa lang.
Anong sagot?
Diba? Tapos, ano ka na balala? Hindi ko pala alam. Okay. Because it's, as I thought, it's 1.
It's only 1.
Ito yung picture ko. Okay, tapos na. Okay.
Number 5, what is that kind of picture?
Ito yung picture ko.
Wow.
Chito.
Okay.
And
Percy.
no, Teddy Percy. And ito, si young girl na tapos na.
Okay. At the back.
Oh, what's wrong with that? Oh, down.
Okay. Now, you read.
Ang mga.
Ano yung picture na katapat? Kuha ka ng pencil. I-circle mo yung tamang sagot.
Apple.
Ang. How many apple do you see?
1.
Oh, so the answer is ang. Doon ka mag-ano. Ha? Wala pa po.
Ay, bibilugin ko dito.
Yeah, you circle the word ang. Yan, good job. Number 2.
3.
Oh, what is the answer?
Ma.
Ang mga. Patingin kung tama yung pag-circle mo. Mali, isama mo yung ang. Ang mga.
Malaki.
Erasin mo yung mga.
Malaki ba na bilog?
Siyempre, kasama nga yung ang eh.
Ang, diba dun ang?
Oh. I-circle mo pati yung ang. Yan, good job. Number 3. Ano yung picture na yan?
Ang.
Sabihin mo, ang mansanas. Ang mga ibon. Ang aso.
At English. Apple. Bird. Dog. Chair. Table. Cat. Fish.
Mali ka.
Shoes.
Pag more than one, you need to put letter S. It becomes plural. The singular, no S. But the plural, you need to add S. Just like that. Mansanas, diba? Apple, because it's only one. The birds, you will add S because it's more than one. And the cat, you need to put S again. You said cats. The fish, fishes. You need to add ES. And then the ball, you need to add S. Balls, not bullies.
Hindi.
The bullies is the bully one.
Ito. Apple, bird, dog.
You add S on the bird. Birds. Like that because it's more than one.
Apple, bird.
S.
Sulat ko yung S.
You tell it birds.
Birds. Apple. Bird.
Mali. Birds. Bilisan mo na. Ang bagal.
Ayoko to. Gusto ko na yung dati ko.
No, you need to finish this because you started and then you need to finish it. If you started something, you need to finish it. Isa.
Dalawa. 50.
Anong sagot sa number 4?
80. 90. Oh, picture ko.
Color mo yung face. Tell me your favorite color and then you put color on it.
Ayoko na. Alam ako.
Go na, kuya.
Eh, matutulog ko nagkatapos ko dito.
Hindi pa matutulog. It's so early pa. The time check now is 11:01. So early pa.
Anything on clock.
Go na!
Anything on clock.
Okay, number 4. Ang mga upuan. What is the right thing? You count the chair. How many chair do you see?
1.
So what is the answer?
10 na 10. Hindi. 10 na.
Okay?
10 na yung clock.
Saan ang sagot? Mali yung sinagutan mo. Oh, mali yung sinagutan mo. Sa tapat ng chair, doon ka nag-answer sa tapat ng table.
We play birds. Nagpupugat ko pala. Ano bang flavors?
Nothing flavors. It's only plain.
Ano?
It's a plain.
What's plain? I want play birds.
On the top.
In the top. Or there's some in the down.
Okay, you finish it na.
Seed.
You circle the ang or ang mga upuan. What is the right answer?
Isa lang. Ang mga. Ang mga. Ang. Ang mga.
O, ngayon, read mo. Ang mansanas.
Ang mansanas.
Ang mga ibon.
Ang mga ibon.
Ang aso.
Aso.
Ang aso.
Ang aso.
Ang upuan.
Ang upuan.
Upuan.
Ang upuan.
Ang lamesa.
Ang lamesa.
Ang mga pusa.
Ang mga pusa.
Ang mga isda. Ang mga
isda. Mga shoes.
Ang sapatos. Ang sapatos.
Ang sapatos. Ang bola.
Ang mga
bola.
Oh, you finish na. So, what is next? You trace the numbers.
Yes. Number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Go.
Nagbibilang ko dito. 1. Ano 1? 2, 3, 4. I'm good from playing birds. 7. Pizza. A pizza triangle. 9. Triangle. 10. Ay, 10 na.
Trace mo pa. Number 1 to 10. Huwag mo ganyanin yung pencil at mapuputol. Ito, trace mong ganon.
Mali. Nanak ko yun. Alam sila yun.
Burahin mo kung mali. Tapos itama mo.
Hindi, tama lang. Ika-recess na, kakain kami. Kunin pa ako.
Okay.
What's your favorite letter?
W.
I think ball. I want the ball. It's rolling. P. Okay. P for pencil. P for ball. P for pencil. P for pencil. Heart.
Patingin nga kung ano.
For pineapple. P for pineapple. P for pig. P for pig. May mali na
Mag-sit down ka na.
nag-swap.
Cross out the object that is different. Okay, later we will answer that. You write first the letter P. This is the capital letter P and the lowercase letter p. You start from the capital letter P.
Tapos, nabigawa.
The lowercase pa.
Nanay, abigawa.
No, you write the lowercase letter P, the small letter. This one.
Anything mo, abigawa. Pen. Big rock? Yeah, it's a broken dog. It's falling again. It's rolling again. Wow.
Later, you finish that. No, I will give this if Kuya's done.
Sa akin to yung lahat.
No, you share with Giddy.
Nalalagay ko si Didi.
You get the bowl, Giddy. Giddy, you get the bowl. You get the bowl, I will pour on the bowl. Giddy, si Giddy lang yung inutusan ko, hindi ka kasali. O, sige na. Go na, Kuya. Finish it mo na.
Pwede ba ako?
Yeah.
Kakain.
Sharing is caring, Giddy.
Lagay mo nilalaki si Ariel.
O, shoot mo muna to sa basura.
Ariel.
Look at the shape. What is that shape?
Triangle.
Okay, go na.
Namatay na triangle.
Snack time. Go na. Finish mo na yung small letter case P.
Cereal.
No, now it said cross out the object that is different. You see, pencil.
No.
Pencil is the same. The ball is not the same. So, you put letter X. Okay.
No.
Now, it's heart,
No.
pineapple, pineapple.
Heart is not.
Not the same.
Apple no.
Okay. You get another one. Good job.
Nasasakit na yung buto ko dito. Ano ba yun?
Last pa.
Sinasakit din pa ako dito. Nilagyan ko dito. Sakit. Yung masakit.
Mag-drink ka ng lots of water. Okay, you get another one. Ito yung work ni Kuya Ilyas.
Alay, magusto kita i-check ang doctor. Dapat pa ako check dito. Ano yung doctor? Oh my, you break your body. Okay, what is this lalay found?
Wag mo daw lalagpas-lagpas, kuluran mo yung inside lang ng square.
Gagawa ba ako ng room?
Oo, sige na. Gidi, bakit yan ka lang naghahagis ng tubig?
Bakit ko makalim na namin? Oh, tubig. Yan. Cereal for lunch. Mama, yan ang cereal. Ito natin milk yan. Yan ang cereal.
Kuya, yung pagko-color, up and down.
Next square. Gagawa ko ng room, nakastay ako doon. Nalalagay ko ng 7 weeks ako na mag-stay doon. Wala, matutulog lang ako. May iwan na kay charger, charging and a cellphone. Doon ako magsasurvive for days and days.
No cellphone. Finish it now.
Tapos na yung wow bad. Yes.
And you color this rectangle. You choose your favorite color.
Black na lang.
Sige. You choose now.
Okay, I choose red.
Up and down, kuya. Walang lagpas-lagpas.
Ano sabihin niya kalagpas-lagpas?
Dapat you learn to color, no lagpas-lagpas, because you're already grown up. You're already grade 1. You need to learn the proper coloring the objects.
Mamaya na, namin ako dalawa na tayo pang grade 2.
Opo.
Tapos, ang laki ko, grade 1 na ako.
Yeah. Kuya, up and down. You're doing side by side.
We must color the rooftop. Ay, kalakpas-lakpas.
Hindi tama.
Ano sasabihin nila sa akin?
Grade 1 ka na. Hindi ka pa marunong mag-color.
Amoy. Nagugutom ka ba? Bakit nagutom ako din? Alam mo lang ako.
Meron pa ako nakikitang white
Saan?
side.
Side and side. Madaming butas. Bakit lang tayo butas sa window? Oh. Naman tayo butas. May susulatin ka?
Reading time.
Tapos kung mag-read mo na mag-ano na, releases. Mag-break tayo door!
Oh, you put it back na. You close the art set.
My lunch.
I-write mo yung name mo dyan sa ibaba.
Grade 1 and grade 2.
Write your name on the bottom.
Dad watching a dick with shitty TV. With charger. My power the socket. One measure. One measure dog. And then cereals.
Tatapon yan.
Yeah.
Write your name on the bottom.
Okay. How many names?
Eliezer Misrock P. Santiago.
Hindi ko pa kaya yun.
E. L. I. A. Z. A. R.
And O naman. O.
M.
Chocolate yan. Si Tommy Circle.
I.
And Circle.
Z.
Number 1 isa.
R.
Number 1 isa. Ganito
A.
isa.
C. H. Misra.
Ano ba? Sabalikin mo. A pa ako.
R.
O naman. No, R.
Then,
O naman.
C.
O naman. Hindi pa.
H.
Yung ganito.
Mataas na N.
Wala na space.
Tama na yan.
Isa lang yung space.
Oh, you close the art set now. And then, it's reading time. I-shoot mo yung ano na yan. Mga crayons. Para pag close mo yung art set, makuklose mabuti.
Ano ka nakalabas yung kurente? Ano nangyari?
Bilis na, i-close mo na.
May yaki ito. Ganito yung uso.
That's mine, that's for girl.
That's
Oh.
yours?
Yeah.
Oy.
Reading time.
Tapos kung mag-read, recess na?
Yeah.
Ano ako naman? Ako naman.
You read together ni Kuya.
O, read tayo. Alit, mamaya. Ako rin tayo sa dati.
Yung pick mo Kuya para magtabi kayo ni Gidi.
Okay.
Oh, teach mo siya.
Okay.
Oh, go.
Ba, ka, da, e, ga, ha, i, la, ma, na, ang,
Nga.
nga, o, pa, ra, sa, o, wa, Yeah. Ito. Gidi. Nagsibuyaya ito.
Sabihin mo yung picture sa taas nung letter. A for aso. Ganon. Yun, yung first page. A for aso. Ba for baso.
Mama. Hindi magano tayo mag-read.
Doon, yung una.
Plus ma equals ama.
Ama.
Diyos. Ganun.
Yeah. Tatay, pwede.
Ma plus sa equals masa. Kidi, ka naman magkain.
Sige.
Maubos yung ano natin na recess.
Okay lang yan. Oh, go.
Oh.
Sige lang, dyan lang. Kasi pag naubos to, pabibilihin na lang kita. Basta tapusin mo yung binabasa mo. Go!
Dalawa ba?
Hanggang matapos siyang pages na yan.
Bibili ako ng ganito. Meron ka bang pera?
Meron.
How many?
100.
Good.
Kapabilihin din kita ng juice.
Dapat meron. Ayot?
Yeah.
Yay! Dapat may yelo?
Bakit yung ice at saka yellow? Hindi ba yun iisa?
Hindi. Ito yung yelo. Mga cold dito. Dapat meron ice.
Yung ice at saka yung yellow, the same yon. Yung ice, English. Yung yellow, Tagalog. Ganon.
Okay.
Sit down ka na. Mahulog ka dyan.
Need to let it here. Nandito yun. Benbel mo ito natututawag. Dapat, hindi mo Barbie. Yan yun matakot. It oling pay. Yan yun yell.
Oh, sige na.
Maliit lang yun. Parang
Oh, sige na. Finish reading na.
Dapat nilalaki. Ito na. Masa.
Ma plus sa. Sabihin mo yung plus.
Plus sa. Equals masa.
Yan.
Sabi niya tae.
Ay nako. Tuloy.
Ma plus sa equals masa.
Next.
A plus sa equals asa. Asa means you must.
Rely on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sa plus ma equals sama. Sama.
Go with.
Plus a plus sa equals asa.
To rely on.
Yes.
Next page.
Hanggang
Hanggang dulo.
tingnan mo ako. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Hanggang aralin 10 yata yan.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
15.
13,
12.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
19 lang.
19!
Already. Go na. Asa na tayo? Aralin? Gide, malaglag nga. Ay, nako.
Akan na ito lahat.
You can eat together. Sharing is caring. Go na, kuya. You read while eating. You swallow first inside your mouth.
Alive. A plus. Mamaya.
What?
Ano ba ko yun? Mamaya. Cellphone na ako?
No cellphone.
Mamaya.
Walang cellphone.
Mamaya, bang tulog na cellphone na ako? Esa. Ganon. Correct yun. Hindi ko sasulat. Cellphone na ako.
Paaral ka pa.
Esa.
Ako'y Pilipino. Ako'y Pilipino. Kayumanggi ang balat ko. Ako'y Pilipino. Sa puso at isipan ko, kaya ikakarangal kong ako'y isang Pilipino.
Nakulay.
Kayumanggi ang balat ko. Ako'y Pilipino. Sa puso at isipan ko, kaya ikakarangal kong ako'y isang Pilipino.
Wala kulay.
Mali yung kulay pala. Ako'y Pilipino. Kayumanggi ang balat ko. Ako'y Pilipino. Sa puso at isipan ko, ako'y
Isang Pilipino.
mali! Mali! Ulit. Ako'y Pilipino. Kayumanggi ang balat ko. Ako'y Pilipino. Sa puso at isipan ko, kaya ikakarangal kong ako'y isang Pilipino. Ganun.
Aba. Ida. A diamond and blue sky. Oh. Combine the natin.
No, you say sa plus ba equal saba. This is the saba. You know, the saba is a kind of banana. This is the saba.
And banana.
Yeah.
Nananatin mo. Mawalang equal. And diamond. So, yung, hindi ko nasabi yung plus. Let's talk.
O, go na. Ano nang next?
Kupepe. Ano yung kupepe? Saba.
Oh.
Saba.
Oh.
Sebe. Paano? Nanay. A, B, C, D. Ano yung A, B, C, D?
Alphabets.
No. Alphabets. Ano?
Alphabets. Alpabetong Pilipino. Iyan ang abakada. Bilisan nyo na.
Grabe naman yan.
Ang bagal.
Wala ako malaki.
Aray ko, sakit ng pit ko. I need to rest.
The triangle. Nam. Sabi na ako makain. I got a big volcano one. I have a small volcano one. I have a volcano one. I got a chair. I get a chair.
Finish nyo na. Basa na kuya. You're keep on eating na lang. You're not reading.
In the house. What would not fit the them? You want the big one. Ba-o. Ba-o. Gonna die. Forever. Babae. Babae. Sa. May duwa with the double. Sada. Ba. 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 Ma. Ma. Ang galing! Maiba. Magaling. Ma. Ga. Pa. Galing. Magaki. Magaling. Ma. Ta. Mamaya na ito.
I-share mo kay kuya. Ubusin mo na. Papabilihin ko si kuya.
Ito. Mamaya na ito.
Papabilihin ko nga si kuya.
Mamaya na ito. Ito.
Mababasag yan, Gidi. Huwag mo nang i-shoot dyan. Mababasag.
Musunod ko. Kasi naman. Tatada ito.
Kuya, finish mo na yung pagbabasa
Ayaw
mo.
niya mag-share.
Para makabili ka na, finishin mo na yung pinapabasa ko sa'yo. Kuya, naka-video ka, ganyan ang ginagawa mo.
Ibig naman ako.
Kuya, doon ka sa isang chair at wala ng tao doon na nakikita sa video.
Dito. I want to kill you because I love
Yes, ang mouth, hindi tama yun.
I think I love bones. Do some bones. Eat some bones. I will come in your home and eat your bones. I found my dad making bones. Two, I have the bones. Two, I'm the tiger. Ta-da-da! Nay, tatay lang ako. Oy, ba't tatay ako?
So, ayan. Thank you for watching po. Bye-bye!